This video shows how to turn your CSV files on your desktop into Google Sheets files as you upload them. So the first thing I'm going to do, and I probably should have done it before I started this video, is I'm going to create a file called delete for the old files that I no longer need. These are the semicolon delimited files that we started with in the last video. I just want to get them out of the way. I don't want to delete them yet because, I may discover I need them, but I don't want them sticking around forever either. So as you can see or recall from the last video, I like to timestamp my folders, and I did the same to the Google Drive as well. So it's just in temp because it's for this video, but 2019 11/03. Now, in order to have the files automatically converted from a Windows file format into a Google Sheets, you have to set a value in Google Drive, and it's this value. So go to Gear, Settings, and select Convert Uploads. So again, just to make it obvious, so Gear, Settings, Convert Uploads. And now, whenever I upload a file, it will be automatically converted. And uploading files, as you probably already know, is just a matter of drag and drop. So this takes just a few minutes. And one clue is the icon of the file. That is the Google Sheets icon. Let's just open one. And as you can see, that file has now been converted into a Google Sheet. That's it.